Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel, So Cool Creations. Today we will be doing our nails. So I have these color street nails. This is my first time trying them. I'm super excited. I can't afford going to the salon to have my nails done, and these are supposed to be the next big thing. They're supposed to make your nails look like you went to the salon and got them done without actually going to the salon. The nail strips I have here are called the Queen of Hearts, so it looks like it comes with everything we need. An alcohol swab, instructions, and also a nail filer. So it says to wipe down each nail with the alcohol swab before putting on the strips. This way it just removes any dirt or anything so that the nail strips stick better. Now we're just drying them. And these are sealed closed, so you'll need some scissors to open them. And these are real nail polish strips, so they can dry out. So once you open them, they do have to be used. Just sizing them, see what ones fit which finger, pulling the top strip off, then pulling the bottom strip off, then placing it on my nail. It was a little bit to get used to. I kept taking them off and putting them back on. It was a little hard to get used to putting them on straight and centered. After doing this a couple times, I could see how you could get so much faster at doing your nails, and this would be so nice and fast that it just dries instantly. So now I'm just using the same strip for my other pinky. My nails aren't long enough, and so I was able to use one strip for 2 fingers. And you'll want to do your pointer finger and thumbs last because your thumbs are one of your best tools to use while putting the other ones on. So I'm pulling the top strip off and then the bottom strip off. And one thing you'll want to do before you put the strips on is go through all your cuticles and push them down. And then apply the nails. And then my nails aren't very long, so I'm using one strip for the 2 same fingers. So I'm doing my ring finger on the left hand, and then I'm going to move over and use the same strip for the ring finger on my right hand. And I'm just going to do the same thing throughout the rest of the nails. And then you'll want to start at the corners when you rip the strip for the other nail. It's just easier to start at the corners and work your way to the center when peeling off the extra nail strip. So I'm starting at the corner, then doing the other corner, and going in the center. And then before I did my pointer finger and thumb, I went ahead and did my toenails because it looked like I would have enough strips. Now I'm just doing the alcohol swab on my toes, and just doing the same thing, sizing what strips will fit on what. I'm going to hurry and do my pointer finger and thumb, save those ones out, so I don't accidentally use them on my toes. And now we can do our toes, and I just did the same thing, used one strip for each for 2 toes. Oh wow, it does look like I had my toes professionally done. Now all I need is one of those foot spas that they have when you go in to have your nails professionally done. Put the picture right here. Link in the description box below. I'm finished with all of my toes now, so now I'm moving back to my pointer finger and my thumbs. Doing my pointer finger first and just doing the same thing. And by the time I got to my pointer finger, I was like way good at it. It was a lot faster. It seemed a lot easier. So now that my nails are done, I'm going to go through and file all of them. There's just a little bit of the strip that will kind of go over your nail that you need the filer to get rid of it. And now we're done. Those are so cute. So here's how they look when they're finished. Those are really cute. Definitely something I would use again. That didn't take a whole lot of time and was probably a fourth of the cost, maybe less than it would have been to go in and get them done. Now I'm just sealing them using the alcohol swab again over all of them. And then I did have some extra. What would be cute is to put the extra on your little girl's nails and then you guys have matching fingernails. For me, I'm just going to put these in a sealed Ziploc bag in my freezer. I saw somewhere that doing that could help you be able to use them later on. I'm going to try it out and see if it works. Do they dry out or not? Check back on my channel for the results. And here is the finished look. I love the little hearts on them. So cute.
Twinkle toes, everything sparkles and glows. Do those things still exist? Does anyone remember those shoes? Is it just me?
Thanks so much for watching So Cool Creations. Come see what cool creation I create next by subscribing to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.